Hi, I'm Rich Santos, Group Publisher for WealthManagement.com, the digital resource for rep and trust and estates. We're here in our New York office today with Elaine Crehan and Gerald Pine. They're with the STEP organization attending the New York State Bar Association STEP conference taking place today here in Manhattan. So thank you both for breaking away and coming over to answer a couple questions. Elaine, you're from the Home Office over in London, the UK. Tell me, when was STEP founded?
STEP was founded in 1991 by someone called George Tasker in England. And since it's founded, it started off with 500 members, and today it's on 18,400 members, so worldwide. So the membership has grown massively over those 21 years. We've been in the US now for 12 years, and we're just coming up to 1,000 members in the States, which we're really pleased about. Globally, we have members across 96 countries with 104 branches and chapters. So an organization that's growing quite quickly. Very
good. And Gerald, I understand you head up chapter development here in the States.
That's correct. 5 years ago, or 4.5 years ago, we had 6 branches in the U.S. Today we have 14 branches throughout the U.S. and that has really, created the growth of the STEP organization in the U.S. and we still feel like we have a lot of members that we haven't really been able to reach out to yet. So our goal for the next year is to really just work with those branches and help them grow and flourish.
Well, that's tremendous growth in a short period of time. Tell me, or tell the people watching, what type of members join STEP? What kind of practitioners? Who are they?
They're mainly accountants, attorneys, estate planners, those who work within the international tax arena, that have clients that live within the United States and outside the States, in Europe and Latin America as well. So they're also multidisciplinary in terms of their approach to their estate planning work. And what the benefit for STEP for them is it provides them with a network of like-minded individuals, practitioners across the world. So if you need an estate planner in Hong Kong or Paris, there's a directory on the STEP website, and you can search for somebody that you know has been peer-reviewed application process, and they've been through that.
And you answered a little bit about my question to Gerald. Why do they join STEP? Can you add to that?
I think that the major function of STEP is continuing education and the ability to access information in other jurisdictions where you might have a client, or you might have an issue, or you have a client who has an heir, and you're able to reach out to this community of 18,000 and find somebody that just can answer a question for you. And we know from from talking to our members that if you call somebody and they and that you say you're a STEP member in the U.S., they will get on the phone with you and they will respond. Maybe there'll be business for them at the end of the day, but maybe not, and everybody kind of understands that.
I'm sorry?
It's a good introduction.
Great. So I'm going to ask this question, and you answer one part of it, and Gerald can answer the other, Elaine. What's unique about STEP?
It's the international aspect of it. There are a lot of estate planning councils within the US. What STEP brings is the outside the United States perspective in terms of the practitioners and how they work.
Very necessary in today's world with families.
Everybody travels. Everybody travels. Everybody works in many different countries. They have family members in different countries, and they have kids who go to universities in different countries. So, lifestyles are very mobile.
Okay. Gerald, anything to add?
No, I think she made a very good summation of why we're different.
Because you're the membership chairman here, and it's these unique attributes are very important.
Yeah, it's very, very hard for practitioners that are doing cross-border planning to get that continuing education through these other avenues, like the Estate Planning Council or the AICPA or even the bar associations. There's very limited availability, so we're bringing this, wealth of knowledge
And it's timely as well because tax regulations change all of the time, new laws come in, there's a lot of government lobbying that happens as well, and STEP is actively involved in that area, such as FATCA, all of that. So in terms of having international timely technical updates, STEP is proven really important.
So what I'm hearing is that you are complementary to the NAEPC, the IAPC, the other organizations that are more U.S.-centric and focused.
Exactly.
Great. Do you offer any qualifications for the practitioners that join STEP in the U.S.?
Well, the application process is different in different jurisdictions. So in most jurisdictions that are established, there is a requirement of coursework, certificate, earning certificates, and exams in order to become a full member and acquire the what we call the TEP designation, which is Trust and Estate Practitioner. And here in the U.S., we have an application and review. So we're looking for people who really work in the estate planning arena, have some educational background that works, you know, towards that. And one day we do offer certificate programs here now, which is new, and they're being received very well. A certificate in family business.
Trust disputes.
Trust disputes,
International succession and probate, and an international diploma in trust management.
Splendid. So if someone who's watching wanted to join STEP, what's the easiest way for them to get more information?
If they go to our website, which is www.step.org, and if you put /USA, you'll go to.
And what do STEP readers, I mean, what do STEP practitioners, what do they like to read?
They like to read Trust and Estates magazine, of course. They also have access to the STEP Journal. And also we produce News Digest emails, which is syndicated content for all of the news items around the world, and we deliver those directly to members' inboxes every day.
Very good.
And we have a journal website, and
Good. Well, again, thank you both for being here. Elaine Crehan from STEP HQ in London, and Gerald Pine, Chairman or Membership Director here in the U.S. Thank you both for breaking away from the conference and joining us.
Thank you very much for having us.
Thanks.